Welcome to Dining at Home with Sauces in Verstegen. In this section we're going to have a look at some meatballs.
We've got a wonderful array of meatballs down here. We're going to start with the spicy Italian meatballs in the tomato sauce. We've got the chicken tikka meatballs, and then we've got lamb shawarma in a yogurt and garlic.
Fantastic.
Absolutely
Let's have a little
gorgeous.
look at these Italian ones first. So these, we've done them slightly different, haven't we, Col? We've put a bit of the Lucas hot Spanish sausage mix to make up the balls.
To change it up a little bit.
Yeah, definitely. And I mean, that Italian herb and tomato is so popular.
Oh, it is. Everybody uses it. If they don't, they should do.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah, change that up again with the hot Spanish, so you're getting that lovely spicy sausage meat inside
it works very well together, doesn't it?
It does. Let's move on to the chicken tikka ones. So we've used the poultry burger mix for this one, haven't we? But we've rolled that in the Medina spice mix just to give that crunch as well with the sauce. It just marries very well. You've got the creaminess of the sauce with the spice mix on the side.
Oh yeah, it is. I mean, the flavour on that is absolutely incredible, isn't it? Oh, so the lamb shawarma meatballs. So this is something a little bit different.
This is your creation, this one,
Oh,
right? Yeah.
lovely stuff. Yeah, so we've got the a nice bit of minted lamb burger. We've rolled them up into the meatballs. It's a great way to get rid of your lamb trim. We've used the yogurt and garlic sauce, and then we've rolled the meatballs in the shawarma spice mix.
Which adds a different depth to the dish, doesn't it?
That,
It really
yeah,
does.
absolutely.
And a different way of displaying as well.
Oh, 100%. And also a different way of eating meatballs. I mean, these into a pita bread, into even a naan bread.
Perfect.
Bit of salad on the side, you know, a little
Bang
squeeze
on.
of lemon maybe. And I mean, it really lifts that dining at home experience.
So quick and easy, so simple, using all up your trim, bit of trim that you have knocking about.
Yeah, and I mean, with a lot of these as well, if you're using the hot Spanish sausage mix, you're going to get that pound or two in the bottom of the filler.
Exactly.
Why not knock up 4 or 5 trays of the meatballs and get a good return on that, what is essentially a waste product?
Definitely.
So there's several different ways that we can package up the meatballs, but now we're going to focus on mainly this lovely meatball tray. So we can fit a dozen meatballs into here, and we can also put a sauce over the top of them, add them to the enter pack, and it's going to seal them up beautifully for your customers. So in true Blue Peter fashion, here's one that we prepared earlier. We've got our spicy Spanish meatballs in there with the lovely Italian herb and tomato sauce on. We're just going to add them into the enter pack machine now and just show you how this seals our tray up. Lovely for the customers. So quick as well. Automatic machine, we just drop it on the pad there. Oh. Takes it into the machine.
Look how easy that was.
That's it. And we've got this lovely profile cut, really professional look on the product. Look great on your multi-deck.
Enough room there for a label on there as well for you, isn't there? So you
yeah.
can tell what it is, different flavours you can go down.
Oh, 100%. I mean, it's a real professional job, is that, isn't it?
These trays are 100% recyclable, freezable, microwavable. You can put them in the oven. Ideal for the customer, whichever they want to do, they've got the choice.
So this is the perfect packaging for the dining at home experience and really give your customers something special.